Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make face swap videos using AI. It's fast, easy, and with no advanced editing required. And yes, it's totally free and you don't even need to log in. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your browser and search for AI face swap, and then just click this one. And then choose video face swap, and then scroll down. Now just upload the video that you want to use. This is the video where the face will be swapped. Then upload a clear photo of the face that you want to swap in. And make sure both the face in the videos and the photo are clearly visible and facing the camera for best result. Now just click render. And then just wait for the process. And okay, your face swap video is ready. Let's play the video. Like this, it's really cool. And that's left to do is download it. And maybe that's it. That's how you can create an awesome AI face swap video in just a few seconds. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.